Hi, so I made this update of this little script here to make uh, a map. So this is a map editor for some type of games, some kind of still very rough, very simple thing here. And I make a little update, making having the chance to change the tile here. You see here now I get a different tile, and I can use the mouse wheel to change them, and as usual I can go with the right button to delete some parts here, and as I said, you can use the mouse button, the middle mouse button, the wheel of the mouse to change this kind of tile, and you can change many more tiles. I've just two images here, but if you go here and add some bricks, calling them brick 3, etc., they will automatically be loaded inside of it. The sides in this type of script that I made is 16 for 16, and so for example, let me go and see if I can get another type of image like this, maybe on internet. I will make you see that brick um, pixel art. Let me see someone like this, for example, or I need something. Let me see if I copy this, or maybe this has some. Cannot copy this one. Let me just grab someone who maybe hasn't got any copyright or something, even if I'm just making this for, you see, this purpose here. And let me move it to something, 100 for 100 kind of thing. Imagine, cut it, and then imagine right dimension to 16 for 16 pixel. Let me see what we have. Yeah, it's quite good. Can just go and change this one to this, maybe. Mm, let me see, maybe this thing like this, like this, like this, and yeah. So if I save this one and I put it into my map editor, images, and I call it brick 3. Okay, save it. And go and run this one again. You see now that I should have, but I have always this 2-1. Let me see if I saved it correctly. Brick, 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 brick. Here I get brick PNG. Perhaps I gotta change. Where is the Pygame mouse get button? Yeah, let me change this one. Okay, and now why I go out of range? Line 70. Letter count 70. It's here. So count if major than this goes to 0, and so here because so let me see, this goes from 1, 0 and 2. So why this one letters to okay, it's clear, it's obviously it's here the problem. Okay, give another letter here. Maybe I should find, okay, and so oh, now the problem is in anyone. Title, display by title count. Okay, now I so have to find something else to make this, but for the moment, what is the first letter? C. Okay, you need, oh no, again. Title, here I might say title 2. Now we get 93. Tile. So global tile, tile 1 for measured for X in list of tiles. But here we should have 3 surfaces. Okay, this is the tile that is shown next to the cursor. So, if I put this 1, -1, okay. Okay. So, now you see that you can add other kind of tiles, not just the same one that we had in the previous version. And so you can change it so very fast, and you can add other stuff into the with this cursor here, and you just have to make these changes here. So every time that you must add a new letter. And how I could find a way to add letter for each tile in images. A new letter here for each tile, and that's pretty what you need to do when you want to add something new. I would like to make it I could make it here something that goes and make it automatically. So for example, if I go and do alpha equal A B C D E F G H I J K L M N S T U W Y Z X don't have to be necessary. In order, and can add also some other things like this thing. I can go and I can make letters equal of from 0 to len of tile, because yeah, of tile, and here it is, I wanna call it with a different, let me see if everything works still. Okay, this was working. Now let me get back to this one, and for L in letters, if C equal L, display bit tile letter N, for N L in enumerate letters, this one now here is not L in parentheses, but it's like this. Da, 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 da. And letters equal, and in letters, let me so alphab equal okay, and letters will be equal to equal to x for x in alpha down len tile. Let me see if there's something wrong. Enumerates, it's not defined. Indices must be integer or slides, not string. Title, letter. Oh, it's yeah. You must do. Okay, so now you can add any image and it will be automatically add to this without having to change anything in the code.